Sacred Heart High School welcome you all for today's online learning session. Today in Standard 7 in English Grammar, we'll study nouns and their kind. Our next kind of noun is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? It is a name given to a quality, state, action and feeling, which means abstract nouns are words that name things that are not concrete. It means your five physical senses cannot detect an abstract noun. You can't see it, smell it, taste it, hear it or touch it. An abstract noun is a quality, a concept or an idea. Example, liberty, anger, freedom. So these nouns express ideas, concept or quality. See the examples: quality, honesty, bravery, kindness, beauty, etc. State, childhood, youth, manhood, etc. Action, laughter, judgment, theft, defeat, etc. Feelings, anger, happiness, hatred, etc. So let's now see the examples of abstract noun. Our first example, cleanliness is next to godliness. Godliness, abstract noun, quality. I often think of the happy days of the childhood. Childhood, abstract noun for the state. The soldiers were rewarded for their bravery. Bravery, abstract noun for the quality. Without health, there is no happiness. Happiness, abstract noun for the feelings. Wisdom is better than strength. Wisdom, abstract noun. Now let's proceed to our next kinds of noun, that is material noun. What is material noun? It is a name given to a material or substance from which things are made. Example C. The metals like brass, aluminium, cast iron, copper, steel. So all metals we called it as a material noun, or non-metals like wood, gas, paper, soil, glass, etc. So basically, material nouns are metals and non-metals things. Let's proceed to the examples of material noun. There is a pan of iron in my kitchen. Iron, material noun. Oxygen is available in fresh air. Oxygen, material noun. Raju's sweater were made of wool. Wool, material noun. Silver is used to make jewelry. Silver, material noun. Coal is found in coal mines. So coal, material noun. Now let's see. Material nouns are classified into two parts. That is countable noun, which can be counted. Example, books, pencil, pens, glass, toffees, etc. Material noun is classified into other part, that is uncountable noun, which we cannot count. Example, milk, sugar, tea, oil, wood, water. So material noun is classified into two, countable noun, uncountable noun. Let's proceed to see what is countable and uncountable noun. Countable nouns we can count. Have a singular and plural form, like a tree, two trees, we can count it. Can even use a singular verb or a plural verb. The book is old, the books are old. Uncountable noun which we cannot count. Have only one form. There is no plurals, like butter, we cannot say butters. We have to use a singular verb, that is butter. Always use a singular verb like sugar is sweet. We cannot use as a and or a number before them. Like we cannot use a rice, two rice, a bread, two bread. We can't use in uncountable noun. Now let's see uncountable nouns. Often what we use is in an abstract idea which cannot touch. We use love, freedom, education, luck, help, beauty, music, thunder. Made of smaller parts, what we use for an uncountable noun? Sugar, rice, salt, sand, flour, dirt, dust, traffic, grass, spaghetti. Sun, food, which cut into small parts. What word we use? Bread, fish, cheese, chocolate, meat, bacon, food and hams. Liquid and gases we often use as water, milk, wine, oil, coffee, rain, soup, air, smoke, blood, juice, fog. For materials, we use uncountable nouns, words like wood, glass, paper, gold, silver, ice, iron, cotton, wool, steel. So you have to be careful for uncountable nouns. In English is furniture, advice, work, news, information, luggage, money. We often use this word. So you have to be very careful while using the words. In short, countable nouns we can count. Uncountable nouns which we cannot count it. Now there at the end we see, today we studied types of noun, that is proper noun, common noun. Common noun, it's abstract noun, collective noun. We have studied material nouns which is bifurcated into countable and non-countable nouns. So now let's see the activities which all the students have to do. Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. There are examples. You can take the picture and do this activity. Now let's see the activities to revise. State underlined nouns in the given sentence. Rajesh is a manager in Titan Company. Rajesh and Titan, you have to see the underlined word, what kind of noun it is. Either it is a proper noun, common noun, material noun, abstract noun, or its collective noun. So Rajesh and Titan, it is a proper noun. Sugar is needed to cook sweet dish. Sugar. It is a material noun. A few boys are intelligent in my class. Boys, it's a common noun. Indian cricket team has won the match recently. So team here is, yes, it is a collective noun. They laughed at my idea. Idea, it's a abstract noun. So students, try to do this activity at your home. Thank you. Thank you.